Hello everyone, welcome to Stampin' Grotto. Today I am going to show you how to make this very cute card. This card was cased from another that I saw on, I want to say I saw it on Instagram. I will find it and do my best to give you guys a link to whatever. I thought it was an image. But there may be a tutorial or something else that the original creator had done. So I will do my best to link back to that for you all. But I just really loved how simplistic and pretty and dainty this card ended up looking. So I wanted to see what I could do to recreate it. So let's dive in. Okay, so today we're using the Cottage Rose stamp set and the matching Cottage Flowers dies. We're going to use a little bit of Blushing Bride ink, a little bit of Crumb cake, one of the tags and the butterfly from the Designer Tags die set, a little bit of crinkled seam binding, some opal rounds, and then these are the dies and the stamp that I used on this. So to get started, we are gonna start with our base. So this is basic white, thick, and this is cut to 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4 1/4 to give you a basic A2 big card base. And then this is another piece of basic white, and it is cut to 3 7/8, so 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And to create this kind of splatter effect, I just took my pads and pushed, which gives you this. And then I just used my water brushes to pick some up and splatter it down. And I did that for both this Crumb cake and the Blushing Bride. And then I die cut this die here, this tag here, with this little hole punch or hole die, I guess, to create this cute little tag. And then I used the You Are Positively the Greatest, so this one here, to stamp in Crumb cake. And then through the hole I cut 2 pieces of the crinkled seam binding ribbon in about, I would say they're probably 5 to 6 inches long, and I just doubled them and then put them through and knotted them. So that's how I created that. And then for each of these, I just went ahead and die cut 2 of each of them. And then one of these cute little butterflies, also from the Designer Tags die set. So those are all the pieces that we're going to need, at least to start. So let's get started. Alright, so to start, I am going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals and just pop this up on my card base. So you can use foam strips or, anything else that you want to add some dimension. I don't have anything else handy at the moment, so I'm just going to use a bunch. Probably don't need to use that many, but go ahead and remove them all. Roughly centered. And then these are all going to just tuck under this tag. So I'm gonna grab my liquid glue and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the stems. And I'm just gonna kind of offset them all against each other. So just like that. And then I'm gonna pop my tag up on some more Stampin' Dimensionals. And this is just gonna go kind of in the center. Just like that. And then to finish accenting our little sentiment tag, we're going to use this. But before we attach it, I want to add a couple of opal rounds in the center. So I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool and grabbing just a couple of the smaller ones. And I'm gonna just gently bend that around it a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the back of that. And then I'm just gonna press it down like that. And then to finish off the card and give it a little bit more accent, I'm just gonna put a couple of these opal rounds. So there we have our card. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and as always, if you are interested in seeing more tutorials, please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.